Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss an interesting mathematics problem, very famous Monty Hall problem. So Monty Hall, he is the person who conducted the game show. This is very interesting problem in mathematics, especially this is the problem explained in during the very first introduction lesson of any statistical learning classes. So let me explain the problem first. The game show, which has three doors, the participant he has to pick a one door which has a car behind it. If he pick the car, he won the game. If he pick the wrong doors, he just receive the goats. He doesn't win anything, right? Okay. The game of the rule is like this. For example, let's say if you are a participant, if you pick the door number one, so what the the presenter he will do, he reveals between another remaining two doors, he reveals the door which has a goat. Let's say if we reveal the door number three, which has a goat. So now he will ask you back whether you stay with your previous choice or you can swap the choice. So the question is, will you swap or stay with your choice? That is the question. So now what we are going to do, we are going to analyze this problem using our mathematical skills. So which option has a higher chance of winning the prize? Whether staying with your previous choice or swapping the choice. So that's what we are going to discuss here. For this, I'm going to use the tree diagram uh, concept, right? In many videos in YouTube, they explain in another uh, uh, approach, right? Explain in some kind of logical explanations. But so let me explain this problem uh, to make uh, to make you understand even the uh, secondary school student as well, right? So therefore, let me develop a tree diagram for first part of the problem. So that means we have two options. We have three doors. So whether the probability to get win the car, it is we have only one door, we have a car. So therefore probability is 1/3 winning the car. So getting the goat, we have another two option, right? 2/3. So this is the tree diagram for the first part of the problem. Now let's move to the second part. So that means he reveals one doors now. So we have only remaining two doors, right? So now the winning the car and the goat, right? So that means now here we are going to stay with our option or we are going to swap the option. If you stay with the option means, let's say calculate the probability, right? Stay with the options. So that means then winning the car, it is 1/2. Okay. So we have only two doors. Therefore, here all the probabilities just 1/2, right? Because only we have only two doors. So what is the meaning of stay? That means previously, if you pick the car, stay means we will get the car. Okay. So let's say randomly, if we pick that car has a door, stay with that door means we will get the car. If we swap the door means we will swap another door. That means we'll get the goat, right? That is the meaning of stay and swap. In this second case, if we pick the goat, the door, so that means stay with that one means the same goat option is there. Swapping means we have a chance to win the car. So that means at the end, winning the car is first one and last one, right? So that is the winning the car options. So now we are going to calculate the probability for these two cases and which option is giving the more chance. So that means whether stay with the previous door or swapping the door. So I just calculated the probability. Just how do you calculate the probability? Just multiplying these two, right? So 1 by 6. Similarly, I calculate all the other case, right? Then last case also I calculate just multiplication of these two. So now you can see out of first and last options, the last option has a higher probability. So that means we have a higher chance to win the car if we swap the choice of during the second part of the program. So that means after he reveals the goat door, then we already chosen the number one, right? Now, if we swap to number two, you have a higher probability to win the car, right? So that is this Monty Hall problem, right? So I hope this video gives some interesting topics. Then, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comment. Um, okay, so let me stop at this point. Then we'll meet some other video. So like and share among your groups. Also subscribe if you do not subscribe already my channel. Thank you very much.